Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a LeetCode question number 229 majority elements 2. It is a great question to the original majority element problem and we are going to walk through a very clean and interactive sorting based solution. Let's get into it. What is a question? Here, imagine you are running an election in a club, but this time we have a unique rule. To win a majority seats, a candidate does not need the most vote. They must get strictly more than one third of the total votes. Because a candidate needs more than one third of the vote. If you think about it mathematically, there can be at most two winners in any election. Our task is to find all the elements in an array of size n that appear more than n floor times. There, let's look how we can easily find them. What will the approach? While there is a complex linear time algorithm for this, a high interactive and beginner friendly approach is to use sorting. If we sort the array first, all the identical numbers will be grouped right next to each other. We we can walk through the sorted array and keep a running count of how many times each number appeared consistently. Every time we encounter a new number, we check if the count of the previous number was greater than n by 3. If it was, we add it to our answer list. Finally, we just have to make one last check after the loop ends to make sure we don't forget the very last element group in the array. What will the time complexity? 0 n by log n. Because of the sorting step, the linear scan that follow only take 0 n time. Space complexity 0 1. The output ignoring the space used to store the output because we sort the array in place and only we use a few basic variable. Now I will write the code. After that I will explain how the code work. Now I will explain how the code works. We start we start by declaring a vector and to store our result. Then we sort our array using sort nums dot begin nums dot end, which puts all the identical elements next to each other. We initialize count equal to 1 and get the size of our array, and we loop from index 1 to n minus 1. Inside the loop, we start if the current elements matches the previous one. If nums I equal to nums I minus 1, if it does, we increment our count. If it does not, it means we reach a new number. So we check if the previous number was a majority. If count greater than n by 3. If so, we push it to our ans vector. Then we reset count equal to 1 for the new number. After the loop, if count greater than n by 3, ans does push underscore back nums n minus 1 to handle the final element group. Finally, we return answer. This is the solution for equation number 229 majority elements 2. Thank you.